Good morning, guys. It's actually about almost 11 o'clock. I already had my she's jumping on a little elephant. I already had my smoothie for the morning. I did something a little different. I didn't have acai. I did a thing of like spinach, banana, mango, pineapple, and chia seeds. And now I just uploaded my vlog for the past few days on my vlog channel. Well, wait, this channel. I'm sorry, I'm so used to my beauty channel. Uploaded my vlog for the past couple days, and I'm also uploading, well, I'm scheduling some videos for my beauty channel right now. I have 2 videos that are uploaded. Well, one's uploaded, one is almost done uploading, and they're scheduled. So one's gonna go up tomorrow, and one's gonna go up the day after that. So that's what I'm doing right now. Yeah, just typical things going on right now.
Go to Nana's house? Oh, yeah, you're gonna have to teach her.
Whoa, whoa. All
Good job! Look at you!
right. There you go. Good pedaling.
Good girl!
Go ahead, pedal it.
You can do it! Oh!
Sweetie, pedal it. Gotta look forward and turn this the way you want to go. If you want to go that way, turn that way. If you want to go this way, turn this way. Okay?
Okay, that way.
Okay. All right.
That was close.
That way.
That way.
All right,
Okay.
let's go.
And come on. And walk on.
Julia, let's. Oh, you're looking for cars? Let's go. Follow
Yeah, watch
mommy.
out for cars.
Good girl. Oh, we're going in reverse.
You should not be able to do that.
Oh no, I'm windy.
Did she just say she's windy?
Are you able to pedal backwards?
Backwards. They're my ball. Okay.
There you go.
Oh no,
Is it windy?
it's on my hair. Oh yeah.
Are you eating French fries? All right, we are off to my daughter's 3-year checkup. All right, it is so windy outside. Oh, I forgot sunglasses. Oh no, it's bright. Dang, cannot see it. Can't believe I forgot sunglasses. I have like 20 pairs. Just kidding, I don't have 20 pairs. I have like 6. Anyways, how you guys doing? All right, let's see. So we had Julia ride her bicycle for the first time. I mean, she sat on it inside the house, but she's never like ridden it. So we took her out today, as you guys saw before. So much fun. She was so happy. That was a really cool experience. It is so windy. Yes, like the past few days, it has been so windy. I actually had to pull our trash cans into the garage because like everyone's trash cans are like flying throughout the street. It's crazy. We were actually taking our ride bikes earlier, and there was like 10 trash cans in the middle of the street, and we only went down like a few houses. It's crazy. Little buildings, because we live in like townhouse things. Anyways, so it has just been so windy, and I don't know why. I mean, at least it's sunny today. There is that. And like it's 51 degrees, but it feels colder just because of the wind. I don't know. I hate the wind, makes everything feel colder. And that's really why I don't like the wind, you guys. Like, you guys have heard me complain multiple times how much I just don't like the wind. And it's because it makes everything colder. Like, I don't mind being cold as long as it's not windy. Let's see. Here we go. There's so many people here. Dang. They really need to make this turn path wider for people to turn in and out. Alright. Go, car. Alright, let's see. Where did they come from? I'm gonna take their spot. I'm thirsty. Did I bring water with me? No, of course not. Oh, this car is gonna take this spot. Whatever spot it is. I don't know what spot it is. Oh, they're parked in the back. Oh well. Alright, well, we're parking in the back. That's what's happening. So thirsty. Okay, here we go. See? Seriously? We're already here at the hospital. That's like how close we live to it. Alright. Let's go inside. Ah! Alright. Julia did so good in there. Every color they asked, they said what it was. She said it all correctly because she's a smart girl. So it turns out I had sunglasses the entire time. Right here. Ugh. Good, because it is so bright right now. And now we gotta go home, and I have to start cooking dinner. Alright, let's go home, Jules. You and Rissa can go play. This wind is insane, you guys. It's crazy. I was trying to blow the stroller away. Anyways. So I'm trying to think of what videos I want to film next. Like, I have all these videos I know that I want to film, but I'm just trying to figure out which one I want to do next. I have no idea if I want to do a makeup tutorial, like a super, you know, high-key one instead of like a talk-through. I'm not sure. Do I want to do the Q&A I had planned a while ago? I have no clue what I want to have up next. Alright, go, dude. I'll figure it out. Kind of just whatever comes to me, I think. But, I wonder if I'm going to do I'm not sure if we're going to be doing any filming tonight. Probably not tonight. I did just film 3 videos yesterday, so I kind of don't need to. Probably just going to go bed really early tonight, because I'm tired. Anyways, so all the errands are done. I just cooked some dinner and finished up some laundry. I placed an order from Gymshark, which is like this workout clothing company. I wanted some of their stuff for a while, and they just released their new flex leggings. Like, they came out today, and like, they're the kind of company, like, things sell out super, super quick. So I made sure to place an order this morning, and just because I did not want to miss out on the flex leggings. And I did the deed and paid $15 for 2-day shipping so I could have it. Because it's choice to wear, okay, pay $10 for 7 to 14 business days, or pay $15 for 1 to 2 business days. And I was thinking, I was like, I don't mind paying the extra stuff. I'm already paying $10 for shipping, which is ridiculous. I'll just pay an extra $5 instead of having to wait 14 days for my product. You know what I'm saying? So that $5 was worth it to me, just because I mean, I'm not trying to wait 14 days for, you know, some workout pants. Because I only own 2 pairs of actual workout pants. And I'm tired of being cold when I work out. So my choices are either be cold or literally do laundry every single day, washing the same pair of pants, having them fade, blah, 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 blah. So I just went ahead and did the 2-day shipping. Let's see if the mail's come already. Questionable. I'll check anyway, whatever. Who cares? I'm gonna check the mail. Alright. So, mail hasn't come. I knew we had junk mail yesterday, so I just left it in the mailbox. And it was the same mail from yesterday, so the mail hasn't come yet, but oh well. I'll just get it tomorrow because it is cold outside and I'm not trying to walk to the mailbox.